Hello viewers, I am Akli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Matrix exercise 3.3 question number 5. In that second subdivision, let's see the question. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A is equal to 0, 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 5, 7. Here we need to find AB the whole transpose. For that we need to multiply A and B. Let me check whether the order of the matrix satisfies. Here we have 3 rows and 1 column. Here we have 1 row and 3 columns. So as 1 and 1 satisfy, the final resultant will be 3 by 3 matrix. So let me write AB first. Only then we can find A transpose. For multiplying AB, first row with the first column, so here it becomes 0. First row with the second column only one number, so it becomes 5. First row with the third column, 0 into 5 is 0, so everything becomes 0. When I multiply with 1, it becomes 1, 5, 7. When I multiply with 2, it becomes 2, 10, 14. Now we have found AB. We need to find AB transpose. AB the whole transpose is writing row as column, so it becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, 7. 2, 10, 14. Now we'll write for B transpose. B transpose is first change the B as B is equal to 1, 5, 7, 1, 5 and 7. Now we need to change this to row as column. So it becomes 1, 5 and 7. Same way we need to find for A transpose. A transpose is 0, 1, 2. We need to change the column to row, so it becomes 0, 1, 2. They are asked here for B transpose into A transpose. So first B into A, same way, 3 by 1 matrix order, 1 by 3. So the resultant matrix will be 3 by 3. So here it is 3 by 3. Multiplying 1 with the number, just write in the gap, becomes 0, 1, 2. Now when I multiply with 5, it becomes 0, 5, 10. When I multiply with 7, 0, 7 and 14. So if you check the answer for AB the whole transpose and B transpose into A transpose, both are same. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have proved it. That's all with the sum. Thank you.